Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to look at Crypto Tester, which is an amazing crypto backtesting software that allows you to up your game when it comes to crypto trading, along with a number of amazing AI built-in tools. Nothing I say on this channel is financial advice, so always go away and do your own research before investing any of your own money. Let's dive into today's video. So guys, jumping across to cryptobacktest.com, which as always is linked down below in the description. And if you sign up today with the code CR10TEAM, then you're going to get a massive discount as well. So make sure you go ahead and make the most of that offer. So this is an amazing tool, guys. If you're new to trading and you don't really understand how trading works, once you've developed a strategy, which actually isn't the most difficult thing, going and backtesting it is absolutely essential to your success, because that enables you to build trust in your system, to understand that you take a number of trades and they're going to result in X amount of profits and X amount of losses. But overall, if you're successful, then you know that your system is working for you. And that ultimately is the difference between someone who's an unsuccessful trader and someone who is a successful trader. So backtesting, as you can understand, is the most essential part of any trader's arsenal. But backtesting can be a bit of a time-consuming and difficult thing to get involved in. And what Crypto Backtest does is makes that process significantly more simple by analyzing and helping you to make better trades. Practice crypto backtesting with Crypto Tester like pilots train before taking off. Independent crypto backtesting software, which is not a trading platform, is 100 times faster than your normal demo accounts. So coming down below, guys, you can see it shows you the various different charts for whatever pair it is that you want to trade. Here it's giving you an example of the ETH BTC on the M1. You can then change the speed of which you want to use for backtesting. So if you're looking for the ideal setups, then you can play back through and then you can make decisions on the data you see. Now, typically, if you go and look at a trading chart and you're looking back through previous data, then you are looking for setups, but you have all the information in front of you, so you know how that trade played out, which stops you from being able to take trades without any other influence from the future events. So this is a really cool platform because you can hide all the information of what's coming up in order to take an unbiased view and to execute your trades based on your trading rules. So obviously it's important that you get a super high speed test going to enable you to trade as effectively and quickly as possible, to make the whole process much more effective and for you to cover much more data. Another essential thing when it comes to trading is risk management, because if you only limit yourself to risking perhaps 1% per trade in order to make 3% per trade, then you have a much better opportunity of being successful as a trader than just being a bit random and maybe risking like 5% on one trade, 10% on another trade, and then going and blowing an account very, very quickly. But by sticking to a rule and using a risk management tool like they provide you with here, where you just have to put in the stop loss that you're prepared to use, by just putting in the stop loss as well as the risk percentage that you want to use, then it enables you to create this whole process significantly quicker. This enables you to then conduct way more trades on a daily basis than you would do if you were just using traditional backtesting methods. They also have things like indicators and graphic tools, which you can use to up your game when it comes to trading, and then you can implement this into your live trading. They cover a number of different crypto charts, all the major pairs, as well as many others. If you want to try and make the most of the market moves on a number of different cryptocurrency pairs, here you can see the example of the risk calculator shown here, which is really, really cool. So basically, guys, how it all works. Simply, you go back to any point in time. Personally, I don't like to look at the chart when I'm doing this. I go back to a time, I click the button, and then it's going to bring me back as if I'm literally sat there right now in that moment on that time frame. I then go and analyze the market using my own system to analyze and create trades. I can then press a button, play out the trade, and I can take my result, whether that be a win or a loss. I then record that data. I see whether or not I executed the trade correctly by my own trading rules, and then I can put all of this data into another system. It allows me to backtest through tons and tons of data extremely quickly and more efficiently than any other trading software out there. Find a trading setup and open your trade, then you'll fast forward to when it plays out, discover the results, replay the crypto simulator with other orders, and then analyze the details. What it says by analyzing the details, guys, if you were to say I was going to toss a coin, I don't know whether the next result is going to end in a heads or a tails, but I know if I toss that coin 100 times, I'm likely to hit heads around 50% of the time, and trading is pretty much like that. If I'm winning around 50% of the time, but I'm taking a 3% risk, but I'm taking a 3% win against a 1% risk, then you can see how profitable I can become. And whether you analyze the market correctly and whether you create a very best trade, it doesn't necessarily guarantee that that trade's going to win. But I know that if I execute the same trade 100 times, that it's going to win a certain percentage of times. And then once I've got this nailed down, I have then significantly more faith in my system. I can take trades without wondering whether or not it's going to win or lose. If it loses, so what? Because I know that when I take this trade over and over again, my overall win rate is going to be significantly higher if I've done all of my correct analysis on the charts. So there's various benefits for this, guys. It enables you to backtest far quicker than you would be able to do with any other software. You can control the speed of testing, which is essential. This enables you to find setups quicker and to enable trades to play out much quicker for you. You can open orders and then play through straight away without having to wait for it to play out in real time. There's various cryptocurrencies and various crypto charts that you can analyze simultaneously in order to take multiple trades at one time, as well as a turnkey solution where you can use historical data for tons and tons of different cryptos. And you can backtest anywhere, anytime. You don't even need an internet connection, so perhaps you can download the data, you can get on a flight and you can sit there for 6 hours and you can do your backtesting while doing sort of monotonous things like traveling, and then really make the most of that opportunity to really up your trading game. So what you get with Crypto Tester, well, Crypto Tester includes everything from cryptocurrency backtesting. No need to search for third-party backtesting platforms anywhere else. It's not only a functional crypto backtester, but a perfect stock market simulator for students as well. Things I've already talked about being essential to your trading success, like risk management. The risk management calculator makes things very, very easy. There's also this handy trading panel that pops up next to your window, which enables you to quickly place trades and to get on with your back testing. It creates a close to life trading environment to us if you're trading in real life, because you don't have access to see the future data coming up. And there's also other cool stuff like AI-based strategy optimizers. So you can use AI to help you improve your strategy. So obviously when you're new, you're going to create strategies and they might not be so successful, but using these AI tools is going to help you to up your game and improve the way in which you can test. And as well as that, guys, there's a risk to reward tool, so you can place your charts out here. Personally, I like to risk a 1% to make 3%, but depending on your rules, you can implement this into your trading plan. There's also, guys, a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you do not enjoy using this platform, which I find hard to believe if you are serious about upping your game when it comes to trading, you can still go and get yourself a money-back guarantee. Absolutely no questions asked as well. There's 47 symbols available with 1 minute historical data. That's not always available on other things like TradingView unless you get the absolutely most advanced packages. And there's also things like monthly updates, as well as other data that's provided by real life brokers, so that you know that all the testing, etc., that you're doing is effective. There's guaranteed bonuses when buying Crypto Tester, so you'll get your 30-day money-back guarantee as well as a quick start booster, and also you'll get various other bonuses inside, such as real data from real brokers for free, and loads of other useful guidelines in order to help you up your trading game. You don't even need to purchase, guys. You can try out the software straight away, and there's also a team there ready to help you whenever you want, speaking various different languages to facilitate you wherever you are in the world. So in summary, guys, if you are a crypto trader or an aspiring crypto trader, then you need to be backtesting. Backtesting is the secret sauce to becoming a successful trader, because it enables you to build confidence in your own processes. And by having that confidence, you're going to be able to execute trades successfully over and over again. By using a tool like this, you're going to be able to do it extremely quickly, calculating risk with just the click of a button, as well as using various AI-based analytics tools and tons of other features where you can backtest through years and years of historical data on over 47 trading pairs. Remember to use the code CR10TEAM for a massive discount, and make sure you click on the link down below in the description to secure that offer. You'll also get a 30-day money back guarantee, so if you don't absolutely love this project, guys, you can get your money back whenever you wish. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, guys, make sure you smash that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. If you're new to the channel and you want to learn more about crypto trading, Web3, NFTs, and so much more, make sure you subscribe to be kept up to date with all of the latest happening. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.